Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name's Gina, and here's Miss Kelly Cat. Say hi, Miss Kelly Cat. Say hi. Talking to you. She's focused on the birds, y'all. There's a little tufted titmouse right up there, and then there's a cardinal over there off camera. Anyway, I think I got the rest of my Nordstrom rack haul. You know, I've already done a video where I had the one dress. I couldn't get it zipped all the way up, but they sent me two of them for some reason. I have no idea why. I have to figure that out, but I was waiting on this one to see what was going on. So, they all are individually wrapped. Let me unwrap them and I'll be right back. Okay, I have everything unwrapped, and y'all, I can already tell you there are a few things in here that just feel so nice. And so we're just gonna do right in because all right, on top here, you know I love camo. I'm wearing camo today. I did not plan that, I promise. It just happened. A fuzzy hoodie. Oh, I love a fuzzy inside hoodie. And it's a vest. Y'all, I am a sucker for a vest. I don't know why. I just think they're so cute on. And, you know, I've outgrown or shrunk out of most of my vests. So I went ahead and saw this one. I thought it was just adorable. It is it's from the Snobbish collection, y'all. It's in an extra large. It's, you know, kind of a utility vest. It's got the cute utility pockets. It has a drawstring here. It's got buttons. Does it button and zip? Yes, it buttons and it zips. Let's just, oh, come on. We gotta, I'm too excited. And I don't feel great, y'all. So I'm trying my best to, but this is exciting. I don't know why. I just think it's cute. And it's, you know, it's perfect transition piece for fall, you know, when you don't quite need a sleeve, but you may need a little something. So you put on a vest. Look, it's so, oh, it's going to be warm though because of this fuzzy inside. Very cute. And let me see. The hood is detachable if you don't like the hood. That is super cute. I paid $29.97 for this. It is the YMI Lolita Faux Fur Lined Button Front Vest. So stinking cute. Can't you just imagine this over like a black long sleeve top? You can do any color, really, but a white long sleeve top. So cute. Oh my goodness. Oh, she thinks she's gonna get something now. Look at her sneaking. She got her sneak on. Compared value $40. So it's a 38% savings. Nordstrom rack. The next thing I got are these Democracy jeans. These are Ab Technology Itty Bitty boots. Mold and hold. Now I had got, or I looked at, I can't remember if I got them in something or looked at them, but they were expensive. And then I saw these Itty Bitty boot jeans, and they were $44.97, which I thought was a lot more affordable than what I remembered. These are in size 12 in blue. They are petite, but what's the difference in wearing a petite and a cropped? Really? I thought I'd try them on. Boot jeans. We'll see how it goes. I'll show you the back. They got a little V in there, just a little. Very cute. Curve equality. Next, I got this black Bp Henley. It looks a little short. I could probably wear it with a high-waisted. It's kind of like a rib tank, but it's kind of thin too. As you can see, you can still see the frame of Cali Cat in it. But I've been liking these Henley things. I don't know why. I just kind of, oh, I'm sorry, did I touch your tail? Ribbed Henley Tank, extra large black. This was $12. So we're going to try it on and we're going to see how it works. Very cute. Now this is not what I thought it was gonna be, y'all. I don't normally do the bodysuit thing because I just don't like, you know, most of them kind of just right up there, but this was an off-the-shoulder top, and I thought, oh, it's so cute, but it's actually a bodysuit. I didn't realize that when I got it. I don't know how I feel about that. This is WAYF. Where are you from? Extra large. Vintage bouquet. I paid $29.97 for it. You know I like those off-the-shoulder looks. They're just super cute on me. They really are, even though they drive me crazy. Very cute. We'll try it on. We'll see how it goes. At least it's not a thong, y'all. And it does have snaps at the bottom, so, you know, you're not having to get all undressed if you have to pee while you're out. I had that issue the other day. I wore a jumpsuit, and everybody I was with was, what are you gonna do if you have to pee? I'm like, I'm gonna hold it. It's what I'm gonna do. Because I'm not getting, you know, taking my top off in a restaurant. Even, you know, in their bathroom, of course. This is a bbdakotabystevemadden extra large faux suede jacket. Y'all, I love faux suede jackets. They just hang so nicely on you. They feel so great. And this one, I mean, this burgundy, well, they call it CHERRYWOOD. Just super duper cute. Oh. Y'all, guess what I paid for it? $38.97. I think that's pretty good for a Steve Madden faux suede jacket. I mean, I don't know, but I thought it was a good deal. And it is so cute. Oh my goodness. So cute. All right, so I'm looking forward to trying this stuff on, and we'll see how it goes. Miss Bonnie Faye has decided she wants to come and see what the world's going on in here. She can't get to me, y'all. I've got a stack of boxes there, a stack of boxes there. I've got a bunch of stuff right here. I've got a bunch of bubble wrap and stuff right there. The clothes right here. There are 3 bags right there. I am just covered, and I'm a little stressed because of it. All right, y'all. So I'll see you in a second with my outfit of the day, if I can move all this stuff. Hopefully I can move all this stuff and try this stuff on for you. I don't know. It may take me till tomorrow to try it on. We'll see. But either way, I will see you back in a second. Alright, so this is today's outfit. I am wearing a tank top I've had forever. I don't know, probably got it from Walmart or Target or somewhere. And these jeans are Sanctuary, I believe. Or yes, these jeans are Sanctuary. I will put down below where I got them from because right now I can't remember. This necklace my mama got me a long time ago from a man who did stones, worked with stones, things like that. These I got from Torrid. Y'all, I was lazy with my hair today. I just threw it up in a clip. All right, so let's try some stuff on. All right, y'all, so here's the first outfit. I have to say I'm kind of digging it. What do y'all think? Does this give y'all fall vibes or what? The pants fit lovely. What are you doing, Miss Callie Cat? What are you doing? Y'all, set my remote down over there on the bed, and she was like trying to get it. I had to pick it up. But this jacket, oh, love this jacket. Look how cute it is. Oh my goodness. So soft. So, oh, I love faux suede jackets. They just, I mean, they just move with you a little more than the denim does. Very cute. So I'm gonna take it off, but I'm not letting it go far because I think I'm probably gonna keep this thing. Very cute. I love it. Perfect for fall. So here is the top. Now this is the bodysuit, y'all. It's literally, you know, there's underwear there. Of course I got mine on still because that's just how I do things. Now I didn't change bras, so keep in mind you're not supposed to see these sleeves. So it's supposed to be like this. And it's not too bad. I mean, not too bad. Now the sleeves do come to an odd place, and it was a little cumbersome for wearing the jacket over the top of it, simply because these sleeves are supposed to be floofy, but it's kind of cute. What do y'all think? These jeans are gonna get me in trouble, y'all. Look at the booty. Oh, and they got a little bit of kick flare to them. Very cute. I'm really liking this whole outfit. This probably was a winner for me. Let me know what you think. Comment below. Tell me if you think I should keep this stuff. So I'm gonna take this bodysuit off and try on the next stuff. I'll see you in a second. All right, y'all, so here's the next outfit. Now, to be honest, I probably wouldn't wear this particular neckline with this. I see you, baby girl, I see you. But look at the silhouette it gives me when I zip it just to here. It accentuates, it brings this in. It doesn't flare out too much, but it does hug. I mean, come on, it's just cute, y'all. What do you think? I mean, I adore it. I adore it. I'll mess up my hair. And yes, it would be tight over the boobs if I did have to zip it all the way, but I could do it if I wanted. And of course, like I said, these are adjustable, so you can actually pull these tighter or looser as you want them. I like it a little tight simply because it does accentuate the waist. And if you silly girl, if you aren't a zip it up kind of gal, you can still wear it like this, and I think it's great. I love it. What do y'all think? Am I crazy? Let's look at this top. Now, I was sitting here thinking, is everything I'm gonna try on today gonna be a, oh, I love it? Because if it is, I'm in trouble. But I don't think I love this black top. You can't see very because I'm wearing a black bra, but you can see it. It comes up pretty high. This pulls out, and it is a little short, y'all. So this is probably gonna go back. It's probably the only thing, unless we decide, is that dress part of this? I think that dress is part of this. We'll have to look at that. And of course, it was too small, and my sister was like, no, 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 I don't like that pattern. But I want to know y'all's opinion. So let's do a recap. Y'all, these jeans, yeah, I'm gonna keep these. What do you think, Miss Cali Cat? What do you think, baby girl? You sweet girl. All right, see y'all in a second. All right, y'all, we are back, and I'm hot and tired now. Ooh, trying on clothes is not for the weak, let me tell you. Okay, so I'm gonna go through this, and I'm gonna try to decide what I'm gonna keep and what I'm gonna send back. Now, I've already done the review for the dress, but now we're gonna see about these clothes. These jeans, all right, so Abbey Technology itty bitty boot jeans. These are the Democracy jeans, and let me tell you, I like them. I like them. Wait, did I like these? I can't even remember. These aren't the ones that I wore. I think I like these. I'm gonna watch back and see, but I was thinking of keeping these. I can't remember, but I tried on another pair of jeans, and I think I'm getting them confused. My bad, y'all, sorry, I don't know. But yeah, these were in a petite, but it did make them work. I'm just gonna watch that video back. I can't remember. All right, so I watched my own video back because I couldn't remember the jeans because I tried on two. Yes, I did like these jeans. So I'm thinking about keeping these Democracy jeans. They were $44.97, which I think is a fairly good price for Democracy jeans, so I probably am going to keep these. And the fact that I could fit in the petites and they were fine is kind of a plus for me because I was wondering about that. I don't know what length I'm really supposed to be buying, but they worked for me, and so they're probably going to be kept. This I thought was adorable. I mean, I'm really thinking of keeping this one. It is a little early in the season for it, but I am trying to get my mindset on, hey, you need to start thinking about sleeves and stuff because it's hard for you to. I mean, we just had this huge rain here and it cooled off, but now the humidity is starting to roll in. So, but yeah, I know that eventually this will get good use, and with it not having sleeves, it helps me to not get too hot. So I definitely am probably gonna keep this. Definitely, probably, y'all. All the teachers out, any teacher who watches this probably just has the head slap every time they hear me talk. But yeah, 25 bucks. Yeah, I'm probably gonna keep it. And I'm probably gonna go over budget this month again. Another head slap. Okay. You know I'm gonna keep this. I love this. I wish I had it in every single color. I love these suede jackets. I mean, this is a BB Dakota Steve Madden. $38.97. That's probably about what I paid for all my other suede jackets that, fingers crossed, I hope I can still wear them because I've got a cute pink one in there. I think I got a brown one, you know. Oh, that's stuff I'm gonna have to start thinking about, is what fits that's in my closet and what doesn't. All right. So the black tank top, I'm probably gonna send back. I mean, it was $12. It just didn't fit right. Hopefully, I can't remember how much it costs to send stuff back here. I don't know. I'm gonna send it back though. I mean, I feel like it was just not, it's not for me. Cute though, soft. It's just, maybe if I wasn't so heavy chested, it probably would have done a lot better. I am thinking about keeping this one. I'm kind of on the fence. I thought it was adorbs. There's a little bloomers to it. Fun. And it looked good under that jacket, I thought. I mean, even though the sleeves are a little hard to get over it, it is 100% polyester, so it's kind of what's got me on the fence. But I think it is so cute. I love the pattern. I don't know. I'm thinking about keeping this too. What was it? $29.97. Y'all help me. Help me decide, because I don't know what to do. I really want to keep that whole outfit and the best. And just send back the black tank. Let me know if you think that's a mistake or not. I really appreciate it. Y'all don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and press that notification bell. I really appreciate it. Miss Callie Cat really appreciates it. Have you said hi today? Well, tell him bye. Tell him bye. She's like, I meowed. You talked over me. Y'all have a wonderful day and God bless.